Here we've got Motorola One Vision, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select apps and notifications, and here just enroll advanced. Now go to the very bottom of the list and choose special app access, and here you will find install unknown apps. Just click on it, and now you can pick some particular application that you would like to give this permission to, tap on it, and then allow from the source by tapping on this indicator. And that's it. Then just pick whichever application you would like to give this permission to, click on allow from the source, and that's it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.